In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Canva designs into systemeio in just a few simple steps. If you're ready to blend your creative work from Canva with the powerful functionality of systemeio, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, go ahead and log in to your Canva account. Once you're in, make sure to finish up your design if it's not complete yet. Give yourself a moment to review all the elements to ensure everything looks just how you want it. Consider colors, text, and alignments to create a polished final look. Canva's creative tools offer a terrific palette to bring ideas to life, so take advantage of them to finalize your masterpiece. Once your design is ready, you'll need to download it. Click on the download button, and for the best quality, choose either PNG or JPEG format. File quality is important when transferring designs from one platform to another, so pick the option that suits your needs best. Once it's selected, save it to a place where you can easily locate and access it later. Now it's time to shift gears and log into your systemeio account. If you don't have one yet, I'd recommend setting that up first, as it's vital for integrating your designs there. After logging in, you'll want to open the funnel or page editor within systemeio. This tool allows you to craft and edit the pages that your audience will interact with, so get comfortable navigating around, as this is where the magic really happens. In the editor, look for an element called the image element. It's the feature that will allow you to showcase your Canva creation within your systemeio page. Add this image element to your page where you envision your design appearing. Once it's added, it's time to upload the design you saved earlier. Look for the upload option and select your Canva image. With the design now on your page, you have the flexibility to adjust its size and position. Play around with where it sits on your page to ensure it aligns with your overall layout. Consider how it interacts visually with other elements and make adjustments for a harmonious, visually appealing look. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, always remember to save your work. You don't want to lose any of those hard-earned design tweaks and edits. Finally, it's time to publish your page. This step makes sure that your creative effort is live and accessible to your audience. And that's it. You've just learned how to bring your Canva designs over to systemeio, seamlessly blending creativity with functionality to enhance your web presence. Thanks for watching. Happy designing.